Hi, this is Stacy with WTI. I am so impressed by the quality of this nightstand from LAWA Furniture. This nightstand arrived so well packed. Sometimes you can get a little nervous when you receive something by delivery, but it was double and triple packed thanks to the cardboard and foam inside. It took about 1 hour to put together thanks to the clear instructions, and it came with lots of extra pieces so that you know that you're going to have everything you need to put this together. I love this multicolored design. Everything is well made, and it's also really versatile for any bedroom style thanks to the white draw, the wood colored shelves, and the black handle. The drawer is roomy and has lots of space for some things that need to be hidden away. And the two-tiered shelf makes for some extra room thanks to the 29-inch height and 17-inch width of this piece. We're going to be using this in my daughter's bedroom, and I'm confident that it will be really durable for being able to use with a young person thanks to how well made the wood is and how heavy and sturdy that it feels. This nightstand is really well made, and I love how versatile it is. I'm confident that this would be great and look wonderful in any bedroom design, and that's my point of view.